Hi guys, this is Sam from UberDriverNow.com. Just wanted to make a video showing you guys an overview of the Amazon Flex app. It's basically the Amazon delivery app. If you've signed up for Amazon as a delivery driver, this is what you will be using to pick up the items at the Amazon warehouse and scan those items when you load them in your car, and to navigate to the destination where you're going to be dropping off your package, and basically completing that delivery. So let's go ahead and check it out. This is the main page, home page, when you open up the app, and it says that you don't have any delivery blocks scheduled today, and you can tap on check for available blocks. And these are all the offers that are currently available to me, and the areas where they are located. So basically all these cities here close to you are, and the address that is showing up is basically where the Amazon warehouse is. So you have to go to the Amazon warehouse, and basically 15 minutes before your shift starts, at least, and you have to get in line in a queue basically of cars, and then you kind of drive into the warehouse, and that is where you are going to be picking up the packages, and each person is assigned like a little shelf, and all the packages that are on that shelf, you basically scan them, load them in your car, and you start your shift. So if I click on it and swipe to accept, I will then be basically required to be at this location, the address that's showing up, 17871 Von Carmen Avenue in Irvine, and by 4:45, basically, at least 15 minutes early, and just kind of take it from there. So if nothing was showing up, you have to tap on refresh a few times for it to show up, and these blocks go pretty fast actually. So sometimes you might see nothing, but if you check back after half an hour, you might see a block available. And calendar, this is basically here you basically set your availability, and I have set it to 12 a.m. to 12 a.m. basically 24 hours from Sundays to Saturdays, and you can basically set it to whatever you like. This just basically gives me all the options, even though the service is not 24 hours, so it's only going to be, I think the latest that you have to work till is 8:45 p.m. to maybe 9 p.m. And I think the earliest shift is probably, let's check it out. I actually haven't seen too early shifts, but I believe it starts at 9 a.m. I believe, but you'll have to double check that. So you have to check early in the morning to see what shifts are available within the next 2 to 3 hours. And then earnings is basically what you've earned and when you're going to get paid. So you basically get paid every Tuesday and every Friday. Whatever balance you have remaining, you're going to get paid. So I worked Thursday, September 13th, for 3.5 hours, and I made $87.50, and I actually got paid the next day because it was a Friday. So yeah, those are the two paydays, Tuesdays and Fridays. Help obviously is the help section. These are the options. Feedback is where you can actually leave feedback on these particular options here. videos. Now this is when you actually sign up initially for Amazon Flex, you are going to be given you're gonna have to actually watch these videos. They're pretty short, they're not that long. These 8 videos on these topics, and you have to answer some basic questions, and these videos are available in the app, so that you can always go back and refer to them, if you want to refresh your memory. So that's really helpful. Then you have settings. This is where you have your personal information, the region that you had selected when you were signing up, your phone number, so on and so forth. And then at the bottom you have check for updates. Now, since this app is actually not available in the Google Play Store, because I'm using an Android, they had to actually email me a link to download this app. Or I believe it was a text or one of those two things, and I had to click on it, and then that's where I was able to download the app. So this is something that you might have to do every once in a while, is just check for updates, even though it will prompt you automatically that there's an update available for the app, and you just basically tap on it and you install the update. It'll give you a notification whenever there is an update. And that is pretty much it. And the profile photo will actually show up when you have checked in for your block. So that's why it's not showing up right now. That basically covers it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any comments, you can leave them in the video. And hope you have a great day. Hi guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe by hitting the logo at the bottom right, and check out my other videos here, and here. Until next time.